Alright, YouTube. I'm pretty sure Gorilla Tag has new cosmetics. There's a new set of cosmetics. Yep, better stock up on your rain gear. It looks like it could start raining in the near future. Yes! I knew it! I was thinking Gorilla Tag should now have, like, weather cycles. Like rain, sunny, cloudy. Stuff like that. Yes, that's awesome. Alright, I'm gonna join a random code. Alright, I'm in. Let's go check these new cosmetics out. I'm so excited. Ooh, let's read the board. Rainy. What? wait a minute. Alright, okay, alright, wait. We got the rain hat. It's like a little rain jacket. Boot. Sunny boot. Hand. What? Golden boot. Little. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. And plus the egg hat. That's so cool. And I like the picture too. The bunnies. More rain. I only have 700 though. I spent it all on the clover. Right, let's try these out. Yes. Whoa. This is great. Man, look at that. Bunny. Is it like 3D? It is 3D. I don't know if you can see that, but I was looking down. It's 3D. It's like shirt pocket. Wait. Blue. Purple. Oh my goodness. This. Oh, there's no holes in it. Wait. What? This is. Wait, how do you. Alright, yeah. Boots. Boots. Yes. Boots. I am Rain Man. I don't really know if there's anything I want to buy, but I really like the rain in real life, so rain would be super cool. Gorilla Tag. Wow. Boot. Boot. So cool. Things are getting expensive in this little item shop. I'm trying to buy one thing from every single item shop turn. So I think the only thing I would buy from this. Now, if I had all the money, I would buy, golden boot and hat and little rain jacket. But I'd probably buy this little guy right here. I'll call him Jeff. That's the new rainy cosmetics. Look at that. Oh, that's all fancy. The mini monkey. Alright. I'm gonna go see if anyone has the cosmetics already. Yes.
Oh, you're so mad. Wow, this is kind of awkward. Yeah.
No, I didn't even see you.
Where's Rain Hat? Where's Rain Hat? Yellow hat. Wait. Alright. That's a nice hat.
Oh, that's sign language. Sign language. Is that sign language? I think I know what you're calling.
Yeah, I know sign language. Don't tag me. I know sign language.
Yes.
Look, can I teach you some sign language? Come back. Yeah, you want my... Damn it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I knew he was doing sign language.
How do I miss that, bro?
Well, that has been checking out the new Rainy Cosmetics. Pretty cool. Found a monkey with the helmet, the hat, and that is that. Goodbye, YouTube. On to whatever funny clip I could find on YouTube. Yeah. I know I'm sounding a bit boring in my videos, like not so enthusiastic. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, but oh, and I will try to be better about sounding more enthusiastic in the future. I'm less afraid
You hurt my feelings.
of YouTube.
You hurt my feelings.
I'm not really afraid. I'm just like
You ran
new,
my
I guess.
Gatorade lives matter.
All right. Goodbye.
I have a question.
Stop the
I have a
Gatorade.
question.
Stop